In the previous video, we made this. And today, we're gonna turn it into a future bass drop. So let's just go. This is pretty inspiring loop, to be honest. As you can hear, just the sound from the Serum sounds so clean that it even doesn't need OTT. Oh my god. Every sound needs OTT, but this one, I made it so it doesn't. Then I'm gonna do a little bit of the cut of automation. Copy the whole MIDI, delete these guys, put it to the right octave. So now we have a bass line. That's so good. This one is pretty cool. It's a lead post-apocalyptic. You can use the leads as basses, which is really cool. Let's now go and pick a lead. Ooh, super cool. So let's try this technique. I haven't used it actually never. We can just fold it, right? Put it here. So we are gonna be using only the notes from the chords to create the melody. It is supposed to make your melody sound better with the chords. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, let's do resampling. Okay, that's pretty good. So the folding thing actually works. It makes making melodies pretty easy. Put a OTT on this. Let's try also pitching this up an octave. Ooh. 5 semitones. 7. Ooh. Oh, I discovered a really cool delay recently. A FabFilter Timeless. Super clean, super sick. Let's check it out. The hell, why would I want to make it wide? For what reason? The hell? I wanted to make this bigger, not wider. What's the point of making this wider, dude? It's like wide Putin for reference? What the hell? Pretty good. Like a background effect, maybe put some reverb on it. Build up. Maybe the drop. Let's make build up later. So let's go to super heavy drum kit. Pick some. Maybe let's just do some drums here, right? Boop, boop. Reversed kick. Always cool. Now we go to cymbal loops. We are 145. I'm gonna change to 150. Let's try this one. I like this. I like this pre-snare. Oh, the chords are making like hi-hats because of white noise. I'm gonna make one more layer. Take these guys. Okay, so I want to make this wide, just like the FabFilter. Put this here, like -50, I don't know. So this one we have on the left side, and we have to make something different to this guy so it can be different and not the same, and so we can achieve the white signal. Let's see texture. Yeah. Yeah, like a background effect, pretty cool. So these drums can work pretty nicely as in the drop. So we have to figure out the drop now. Let's just do something pretty easy, pretty common. So the cutoff automation, put this here. Or here. Oh, now let's just do the chords thing. I made this pretty cool preset recently, which I don't know what is named. Orbit? Maybe? Let's see. Yeah. Oh, and then we have this ending here. Cool. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Cannot duplicate the whole thing here. So we can do like the second variation. No, not here. Here. Try make it more plucky. Oh, this guy also, the sub bass has to be. Okay. Ooh, oh. That is so cool. Let's pick another preset. Hell yeah. Serum's cool. Super, no, lead. Molecular. Let's automate this switch knob. It kind of changes the timbre of the sound. I want it to go like this. And let's put a timeless guy. We need to switch to this. Yeah, now we're gonna automate this knob. I want something like this. Hey, pretty cool. Also, I want a reverb automation. Less. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Okay, so now when you have this, like you've created some automations and they do not show up, you have only one. Instead of going here, clicking each of these and clicking the plus button, you can just right click, add lane for each automated envelope, and bam, it appears. I don't know what's going on here. How about resetting it? Oh, that's cool. It adds like a cool transition to it. Oh, by the way, it sounds pretty good, but there's no side chaining going on. I forgot about that. Oh, I was like, okay, now we have to fix the sidechain because it's really too much. Yeah. I decided to use a inherit instead of in BPM because it gives you much more control and to be much more precise with the speed of this guy. Let's put some vocals maybe. Dun, dun, dun. Pretty good. OTT. Some reverb. Automated, so it just doesn't go here. So it doesn't bleed into the chords. How about this guy? Do this. There we go. Okay, we can add some claps. Okay, maybe let's try Galaxy claps this time. Ooh, yes. Ooh, that's a sick clap. Okay, let's get some super heavy drum fill. Ooh. Let's put this guy here. Ooh. Like, just... And we need this guy automation. Ooh, let's go with the flow. Let's go pick a... Ooh, that fits pretty nicely. Do another one. This time maybe like a noise riser. Pretty simple. We need a longer pre-kick. Okay, before we finish, I need a snare, like a pre-snare thing. Let's take this one. It's gonna be here. So I want this to be like before this exact part and only here, because it like kind of, the whole thing stops here. Right? And it kind of just sounds pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna duplicate this and make another layer. Hell yeah. I'm gonna put a free clip on the master. Yeah, let's take a listen. That is flipping sick. The layers, oh my god, the chords are insane. Hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. As always, have a nice day, watch my videos and subscribe. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can sidechain that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversampled.us for some high quality samples, presets and free sounds.